Seeking a top-notch value in the next smartphone purchase, the Xiaomi's X6 Pro steps up as the leading choice for the value in 2024. The device brings up the table a stunning AMOLED display, refreshing rate of 120Hz, and is powered by the highly performance Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset, setting a new standard for mid-range phones at an unbeatable price point. The latest iteration maintains a familiar design but introduces a significant upgrade under the hood. With its Dimensity 8300 processor, the chipset stands out as one of the most potent and efficient processors available on Android, distinguishing the X6 Pro from its predecessor, the POCO X6, which lags slightly in performance. Audio quality emerged as a notable highlight for the X6 Pro, equipped with the dual speakers positioned on both the top and bottom. The device delivers superior stereo sound enhanced by Dolby Atmos technology. Connectivity options include the dual SIM support by USB Type-C port for charging, data transfer, and connecting headphones. Given the absence of a traditional 3.5mm headphone jack, wireless headphone users for those with an adapter will find seamless Bluetooth connectivity. In contrast to other mid-tier options featuring the curved displays, Xiaomi opts for a sleek flat screen. The 6.67-inch AMOLED crystalline flow display ensures smooth, lifelike visuals perfect for gaming or video playback. Powered by the Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset, this model rivals high-end models in speed and efficiency with up to 12GB of RAM and a hefty 512GB of internal storage. Non-expandable, this phone handles everything from gaming to daily productivity tasks like photo and video editing, offering a premium experience at a fraction of cost. Thumbs up.